Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. So today I'm going to show you two beautiful places of Mumbai located in Dhiru Ambani Square. One is Neeta Mukesh Ambani Cultural Center where the wedding of Anant Ambani also happened, and another is the most luxurious mall of India known as Geo World Plaza Mall. Third, first Neeta Ambani Cultural Center, and there are few exhibitions going on there. This place is really massive. So over here there is one very big exhibition, Bridal Asia, happening, and look at these beautiful shops here of handloom. The name is Swadesh, and you must have seen this is also a handloom shop here where they make clothes from khadi, and there is a Charkha Gandhiji over here. This is another one. So this is the same Neeta Ambani Cultural Center where the wedding of Anant Ambani happened, and look at the floral details here. And there was one vintage car here. Just look at this. So this place is basically famous for their lavish theaters where they have various shows going on international level. There are 3 massive theaters and there are shows always going on here. Over here, see the floral temple here of Radha Krishna, and you will get a feel as if you are not in India. So the mall has beautiful summer and spring decor and everything with floral, is so modern, yet interiors Indian everywhere, finish, and the it's horses so and nice. Elephant statues. Look at the colorful interiors here, and behind this you'll see the massive theater, and these are the stairs which goes upstairs. So they have 4 levels here, but the third level is under construction, and it's also for the family. They have suites there, and they also had chart counters and all here. So if you want to eat something, there are chart counters here. We tried their aloo chaat and it was really nice and delicious. We loved it so much that we had to take another one, and obviously it's chargeable, but it's really nice. And upstairs also they have the theaters and they have the cafes and all there, so you can eat there. So this is the place from where the entry of the Anant Ambani wedding took place, and it was all decorated with flowers and all. So you must have seen in the videos that when all the Bollywood celebrities and everybody in the wedding were entering, they were entering from this long gallery here, and it was all glass finish. On everywhere you will just find glasses here, and I can't describe it in this video, but it was really nice and beautiful here. And this is the place where the wedding took place, this Neeta Ambani Cultural Center, also known as NMAC. सब कुछ ग्लास से बना हुआ है। So this is the Grand Theatre here where they have sitting of around 900 to 1000 people, and in this Grand Theatre Radhika Merchant and Anant Ambani's Sagan ceremony and Sangeet ceremony took place. And upstairs if you go you'll see another theatre. So I've come on the first floor. They have this beautiful cafeteria here, so in between the shows and all you can grab whatever you want. And upstairs if you go you'll see the second floor, so there is this show going on here known as Raja Dhiraj. So you'll find their tickets for these shows on Book My Show, or you can directly go to their website and book your tickets, or you can also directly come to the counter and collect your tickets if they have seats available, because when we came and checked with these people there were only around 3-4 tickets left. So from there on, from the first floor So from the first floor, you can enter Geo World Plaza Mall, which is the most premium mall in India. So we came directly into this mall. So you can come from outside also. There is an entry for Geo World Plaza Mall, and also if you come to Nita Ambani Cultural Center, from there also, from the first floor, you have access to this mall. So since we were there in Cultural Center, we came directly to this mall rather than going out and re-entering again. And once you enter this mall, you will not get a feeling as if you are in India. You will think like you are in Dubai. This mall gives you a feeling of Dubai mall. Like I've never seen such a massive mall in India. So this is known as the Geo World Plaza Mall. This is newly opened in 2023. Here you can shop all premium brands at one place such as Dior, Balenciaga, Valentino, Tiffany & Co, Cartier, LV, Gucci and many more. It started on 1st of November 2023. The Geo World Plaza is located in Mumbai's BKC and it's spread in 7 lakh around 50,000 square feet. It also has 4 levels of floors. Walking into the mall where you have world's most expensive designer brands, not in abroad but yes in India, in Mumbai city. It gives you a feel of Dubai Mall, but you are in Mumbai. Welcome to the newest mall of Mumbai, the Geo World Plaza. There are various fashion brands who have also made their debut in India for the first time, like Cartier and many more. Apart from these premium fashion brands, you'll also find best of the restaurants and coffee shops over here. So this is the Nita Ambani Cultural Center. From here you enter this mall known as Geo World Plaza Mall from the first floor. So this is Cartier. I have never seen Cartier in India in any other mall. Even in Delhi Emporio, you will not find Cartier. Over here, you have all kind of brands here. So I'm just showing you the walking tour. So when I say never seen before brands, this is what I mean. Look at the watches here, all Swiss made company. And this is Edamame, which is Alia Bhatt's brand for kids wear. And these are the 4 levels, and look at the interiors here. This is YSL massive showroom here, and when we walk towards the left, there is a Manish Malhotra's outlet there. So this is the Manish Malhotra store, newly opened, and there are many other brands who are yet to open. So guys, this was my experience in Geo World Plaza Mall. So we had a great day here where we saw first Antilia Tower, then we went to Geo World Drive Mall, and from there is just 5 minutes distance. You can come directly to Nita Ambani Cultural Center, and from Nita Ambani Cultural Center's first floor you can directly enter Geo World Plaza Mall, so you can see all the 3 malls together if you have one full day. Now finally we are going back home, came to the first floor towards the exit, and you'll find these beautiful details on the left hand side where you'll see all historical monuments, pictures. So and there is a very massive fish tank over here. So we sat here for a while because they had these And if you like my
beautiful
vlog,
mattresses
please
here
like
too.
and
You can sit
subscribe
and
also
have a
share my
relaxed time
video.
here.
And I keep on
And watching the
uploading
fishes
new
is of course very
places, videos. So do check out my other vlogs. Thank you.